In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type on a picture in Microsoft Word, a handy trick for creating more visually appealing documents. Whether you're customizing invitations or crafting unique reports, learning how to personalize images with text can be invaluable. To get started, you'll first need to open your desired Microsoft Word file. Make sure you have the image you want to work with inserted into your document. If not, go ahead and insert your picture by navigating to the Insert tab, then choosing Pictures and selecting the image from your device. Once your image is in your document, click on it with the right mouse button to open a menu of options. No need to worry if it looks a bit overwhelming. We'll guide you through each step. From this menu, you'll want to locate the Wrap Text option, which is crucial for managing how your text interacts with the image. It's here that you'll find various options like square, tight, and through, each influencing text placement differently. However, for this task, we'll focus on behind text. Select behind text. This setting moves your picture to the background, allowing you to type directly on it. Essentially, this step ensures the image doesn't interfere with your typing, giving you the freedom to seamlessly integrate text over your picture. With your image now set behind the text, click anywhere on it to start typing. The space is yours to customize. Type anything you want, whether it's a title, a label, or a piece of inspirational text. If you need to adjust fonts, colors, or size to make sure the text is clear against the image, simply highlight the text and navigate to the Home tab, where you can access various text formatting options. Use contrasting colors to make your text pop against the image backdrop, ensuring it remains easy to read. And there you go, you're done. With this technique, you've added a unique personal touch to your document by typing directly on a picture. This skill not only enhances your documents aesthetically, but also demonstrates your proficiency and creativity in using Microsoft Word to its fullest potential. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and text placements to see what best fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks in our other videos to continue enhancing your document creation skills.